Hi, thank you for watching today's Amherst alarm tutorial video. My name is Joe, and we'll be discussing how to change the battery in the PG9916 smoke detector. Before you get started, make sure you call Amherst Alarm's Monitoring Response Center to let them know that you'll be changing the battery in your device. When you do change the battery, it will set a tamper alarm off on your keypad and also send an alarm to the Monitoring Response Center. Let's get started. This is the PG9916 smoke detector. To get started, you're going to want to quarter turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the base. From there, on the bottom, you will see a little cover for the battery compartment. To remove the battery, you just open up the cover, reach in, and pull the battery out. You'll notice a little red tab pops up to indicate that there's no battery. To put the battery back in, you just put negative side in first. There's indicators to mark which one, and slowly press it in, and it'll push the tab down. While it's disconnected from its base, it's going to beep every 5 seconds approximately. So you'll want to get it connected to its base quickly. To do that, you set it down on its base and turn it clockwise until it snaps in place. And that's it. Thank you for watching today's tutorial video. If you have any questions, please call 716-632-4600. Thank you.